Alright, so because of the coronavirus, I gotta be fully protected. Gotta put my mask on. There we go. Let's see what Felipe is up to.
Morning. Doing alright? What you got working on? Alright, let's see what Felipe's working on. So I'm coming in to do a quality check on your work.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our shop. It is the coronavirus season, and here we are. As you can see, this is basically the effect that the coronavirus has had on our shop. Usually it's filled with vehicles getting wheels and brake calipers done, but as you can see, it is empty. There's barely any cars. We got one, we got two, we got a few over there, but when it comes to the private side, customers are not really coming in. They're mainly just taking a break. Everybody's staying home, which is, I recommend that everybody does stay home, but in the end, it's affecting the economy, it's affecting a lot of the businesses. What's keeping our doors open is the commercial accounts. And the reason why we have to stay open is because we work with insurance companies, work with body shops, and they want their stuff yesterday. And because of that, we're having to pick up from them just to get their cars out of their shop, just in case if the whole, if the whole government actually shuts down and nobody's allowed out of their house, at least all the cars are out of the shop and nobody has to worry about falling behind. But this is basically the effect of the coronavirus on RTP Customs. It is empty. But I'm going to walk you through some of the work that we've done earlier in the week, and also I'm going to show you what happens on our production line, more on the production side, as we're stripping down, straightening, welding wheels, so that way you can get an idea of the skill that it requires in order to get the wheels repaired. So you guys stay tuned. Let me show you around. So this wheel actually has a crack on it. Let's show the crack, Santos. So here it is. There's a crack. Right there, our main goal is to make it even between the two lips right before we weld it. And then it goes through the straightening process again. We are doing a gunmetal finish, has a little sparkle within it. And this wheel is going to be topped off with a semi-gloss finish, just to give it that dry look. It's 3 p.m. We're simply waiting for wheels, the last batch, to come out of the oven before they get it powder coated. We haven't had a slow day like this for a while. I mean, the whole week has been kind of slow, but we're optimistic. We are positive. We know that pretty soon everything's going to be back to normal.
Look what we got here. Beautiful 2019 Mercedes AMG. It is fully loaded, but it's coming in for a special touch on its brake calipers. So check how they look now. We're going to be color matching these brake calipers to the interior red that is on the stitching and also on the seatbelt. This is gonna look wicked. So what paint code did you use, Leo?
Right here we're using 75442.
Is that a factory color?
Yeah, that's works red.
Okay.
We got it over here, all the calipers, and that's PPG, water-based paint.
All right, excellent. All right, let's see the spray out. See, he looks like a dentist now in the back looking inside somebody's mouth. Here we go, performing full quality check on these brake calipers right before we spray that second coat of the base red. Our main goal is to ensure that everything gets sprayed out from the face, even the backside of the brake caliper. Full coverage. So here we have Brandon doing the custom graphics for the AMG. So what we do is we take full measurement of the brake caliper, and then according to that, we come in and we design it here on our system, and we get it cut out with this small, beautiful little machine that this man runs right here. So what's next? The BMW, possibly?
Yeah, the BMW.
So the BMW is going to be a little bit tough because there's few colors to it. We're going to be doing the M.
The M logo.
The M logo.
This blue, the red, then this blue, and then the silver for the M.
Nice. That's gonna be neat.
So whereas this one, I get to do it all at one time. I have to do that one 4 times. So that one's gonna be.
So with this kind of work, we offer a lifetime warranty on the finish itself. We warranty it against any type of fading, color change, peeling, clear coat flaking off. So your investment is protected with RTP Customs. So if you guys go out there anywhere around the nation and you decide to do it with somebody else, make sure that shop is warranting the work that they're doing. Now it looks like a beautiful vehicle right off the lot. Another one in our books. It got the RTP touch. That's the power. We're always blessed. We are always blessed to be working on beautiful cars like this. Oh man, it feels so good deep inside. If you guys have brand new vehicles, if you have vehicles that you just want to make it your own, put a little theme with it, bring it to us. We'll be able to take care of your wheels, your brake calipers, just the way you like it. Because we offer amazing customer service and most importantly, excellent quality. Yep. But see, this damage right here is going down straight to the primer, and this is the same damage as the rock chips that you would see. The rock chips that you see right there, same exact damage, and that shows that it's something with force actually came in and hit these wheels. Moments like this, we don't cover it under warranty. All right, we're going to cover these just because we want to take care of our customer. But what we do cover under warranty is basically when the clear coat starts flaking off. When you're able to remove the clear coat, you look at it, it's transparent. In this case, you don't see any sparkles, you don't see the base coat within it. With those, number one, it's so hard for us to even peel it off, to chip it off, and that shows the adhesiveness of the powder coat. And the minute you remove it, there's silver, and that shows that the clear coat and the base coat are attached together. The only thing that's remaining is the primer. Here's another one. Same thing, if you try to pick at it, it's almost impossible. Powder coat is like cement to the wheels. Here's another one right here. So moments like this, all of this is not covered under warranty, because this is more of a hazard caused by the owner compared to the quality of our work. But just to ensure that the customer is well taken care of, in this case we made a decision to take care of these wheels and get them taken care of, because this is for a commercial account. He already promised his customer he's gonna do them the right way. And in this case, our main goal is to make our customer happy, and we're gonna go ahead and strip them and get them done the proper way. But it's all about business. In this case, we're not thinking about today, we're thinking about down the road, making sure that the customer is happy and he keeps coming back. But check this out, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. This is our new trailer. We do all of our work from inside of it. Bought a brand new truck. As you walk in, we got paint booths. Everything's exhausted to the exterior. Everything's EPA approved. Quality. That's how we do it, guys. So now we're able to take the shop on the road, directly to the customer's house, or even the production line on the with the collision centers in this case. Full setup. Where's your mask? Alright, that's what I'm talking about. How long did it take you?
Like an hour and 15 minutes.
An hour 15 with the drying, with the prepping, everything.
Well, it was busy, like a jump right.
Okay. Awesome. Well, we appreciate you. Have a good day. Hey, Rob. Good morning. How you guys doing? Good, good. Yes, sir. We gotta we gotta stay protected. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is I don't know if you met Felipe. He's my business partner, and he's covering the mobile unit today. But what we're doing with this is we're going around just kind of marketing our mobile side a little bit, showing the process, the end result, because we just started this back in January. So yes, sir. Yeah, thank you. You see this? It's like, woo. Absolutely, absolutely, got to. It's all about social media. Do you mind if I have you on? All right, perfect. So what do you think about RTP?
Can't have it.
That company doesn't exist no more, so.
Right on. So, yeah, no, I like it. So it's my first choice. Quality's usually really good.
Excellent.
I've been pleased.
Thank you. Well, we definitely appreciate your business.
No worries.
Thank you. Thank you. That means a lot. If there's anything else, please let us know.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
First call.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Be safe out there.
You too.
Music and all of my noise, color in all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. Not the dream
That was a success. Felipe? Ready for your second stop?
Oh yeah.
Let's make it happen, man.
Let's go.
Appreciate your hard work. All right, I'll see you, okay?